Hello, nature enthusiasts and eco-warriors. Welcome to Derose Entertainment Store, where we're not just about selling products but about making a positive impact on our planet. Black and white impact-resistant cases, $24.88. Our black and white impact-resistant cases are not just stylish and durable, they symbolize the harmony and balance found in nature. Just as the black and white colors coexist to create a beautiful contrast, nature thrives on the balance between various elements. By choosing our black and white cases, you're embracing the concept of balance and harmony in your life. Metamorphosis tough cases for $17.42. Nature is a constant cycle of transformation and growth, much like the process of metamorphosis. Our Metamorphosis tough cases are designed to remind you of this incredible journey of change and evolution. LovEvolution biodegradable cases for $24.88. Love is a powerful force, and when directed towards nature, it can create profound changes. Our LovEvolution biodegradable cases are a perfect blend of style, durability, and eco-friendliness. Words impact-resistant cases for $24.88. Words have the power to inspire, motivate, and bring about change. Our words impact-resistant cases remind us of the significance of communication in raising awareness and promoting environmental conservation.